Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize SSH access using Windows Terminal and OpenSSH. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Windows Terminal on your computer. If you don't have it installed, download it from the Microsoft Store. Once Windows Terminal is open, check if OpenSSH is installed. You can do this by typing SSH and hitting enter. If you see a usage message, OpenSSH is installed. If you receive an error, you may need to install the optional features. Go to Settings, then Apps, and select Optional Features. Click on Add a feature and search for OpenSSH Client. Install it if it's not already on your system. Now, let's generate an SSH key pair for authentication. Type SSH keygen TRSAB4096 into the terminal. Press Enter to accept the default file location. You may optionally set a passphrase for added security. The key pair will be created in the specified directory. Next, you'll need to copy the public key to the remote server. Use the command SSH copy ID username at remote_host. Replace username with your actual remote user and remote_host with the server's address. You might be prompted to enter your remote account password. Once entered, the public key will be copied to the server's authorized keys. Now, check your SSH connection by typing SSH username at remote_host. If everything is set up correctly, you should connect without a password prompt. If prompted for a passphrase, enter the one you set earlier. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized SSH access using Windows Terminal and OpenSSH. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.